Look around your home. Have you ever wondered how things like pots, bricks, and houses are made? Many useful objects are created step by step using simple materials. Let's explore how these things are made. First, let's look at how beautiful clay pots are crafted. Clay is a soft material that becomes easy to shape when mixed with water. People use it to make pots and other useful items, often used to store water and keep it cool. The process begins with collecting and cleaning clay to remove stones and dirt. Water is then added to make it soft and smooth for shaping. Next, the wetted clay is shaped on a spinning potter's wheel into pots or bowls by skilled hands. Freshly shaped pots are first air-dried, then heated in a kiln to make them hard and strong. After this process, the pots are ready for everyday use. Now, let's see how something as fundamental as bricks is made. Bricks are typically made using clay mixed with water and sometimes sand to achieve the right consistency. The mixture is shaped into molds and dried in sunlight. Finally, the bricks are baked in a kiln to make them strong and durable. Building a house involves combining many materials and processes. Houses are built using materials like bricks, cement, and wood, forming the foundation and structure of a home. Kacha houses are made from mud and straw, while pucca houses use stronger, more durable materials, ensuring they last longer. Different regions and lifestyles require different types of houses, such as stilt houses, igloos, tents, houseboats, and caravans, designed for specific environments or mobility. It is important to remember that construction work can be risky, making safety a crucial consideration. To stay safe, workers wear essential safety gear, like helmets, gloves, and strong shoes. We should also always avoid going near construction sites to ensure our own safety. Today, we took a journey to learn how simple materials transform into the useful things we rely on every day. We saw how clay is used for pots and bricks, and how houses are built, highlighting the importance of safety throughout the process. Let's appreciate the effort, skill, and careful steps behind everything we use every day.